guys, it's me, Rian, and today we'll be building a Lego set. This Lego set is the Bonsai tree. It consists of 878 pieces, and the finished build will be 20 centimeters in length and 18 centimeters in height. This is 7.5 inches in length and 7 inches in height. And
there's actually both sides. So what you can do is you can build the leaves, and then you can just like take it off, and then you can put the other thing.
So there's two different colors of leaves. So there's the green leaves, and there's the pink leaves. So this video will be an unboxing video and a making video. The making will be in a fast time lapse, so it'll be very, very fast. Let's go on to the building. So now we're gonna be unboxing this. So from here, I guess?
No,
Yeah,
from here. It says.
Oh yeah. This is hard.
Okay.
Oh, this is the leaves bag.
This is the leaf bag.
The bag number 1.
Bag number 1. Which we're gonna be starting.
Bag number 2.
So we're gonna put them in.
Oh, bag number 3. I think this is the soil. Right? There's so many bags. So bag number 6.
Bag number 6. So this is gonna take us
Bag number 5. Okay. And this is a thick instruction manual.
Yes.
And there's 2 of these. I think these are for the staff.
It says it in the box. So there's a
It shows, yeah. Okay, now we're gonna fast forward to the building sequence. See ya! And we're finished. Wait. Never mind, we're not finished. Where did this break off from? It works. Now we're finished! Actually, we still have one more bag to go, so technically we're not finished, but that's just another pack for leaves. We're finished! Yes! So, 1 second. We're just gonna show you the final product, how it looks like. Ooh, that looks cool. And if you move the leaves around a bit, it looks better.
Finally finished.
So that's all, folks.